star began to twinkle in the sky, and moonlight gently bathed the earth. Tonight, we embark on a magical journey along a moonlit river with our delightful companion, the charming little raccoon, known for its incessant yawning. The raccoon is a small creature, famous for its unforgettable yawns. It loves to recline on a raft and drift through the hours from dusk till dawn. Its raft is crafted from driftwood and branches washed ashore, and whenever the raccoon lies upon it, they never fail to elicit snores. Tonight, our little friend is preparing for an adventure. A small stream through the forest seems like a perfect spot for a nap. The raccoon is getting ready in its cave, hidden within, yet never lonely. Glowing fireflies swim in rock pools, and lanternfish flit around stalactites, dozing. Boarding the raft, the raccoon bids its friends goodnight and sets off towards a waterfall, entering the pale moonlight. Drifting on the river, the raccoon gazes at the sky, wondering if tonight it will uncover the mystery behind its magical yawns. Its yawns have the power to lull anyone who hears or sees them into an instant dreamland, unlike counting sheep. As crickets chirp their twilight tunes and night descends, the raccoon hears an owl swoop by, softly hooting. Look, it's the sleepy Professor Feathers, a very wise old bird. Quite absurd that a yawn would put him to sleep. But indeed, when the raccoon's yawn causes this clever owl to pause and rest, by the time the yawn ceases, it's already dozing in its nest. The raccoon smiles, plucking a few flowers from the willow and placing them in a pouch, a pillow for its friends. The night is late, and the raccoon is now beyond tired, but it suddenly spots a rabbit hole under a dragon tree. A bedraggled rabbit emerges, none other than the raccoon's friend Alice, go foraging along the winding riverbank. As the raccoon's raft drifts by, it waves hello, and Alice can't help but yawn, drifting along the river together. She curls up by the riverbank, time for sleep, while the raccoon sways gently, pondering whether its yawns are a blessing or a curse. With a gentle sway, everything begins to feel somewhat dreamlike, akin to the sparkling trail left by shooting stars. The moon shines overhead, the river starts to shimmer, and a rainbow frog sings a lullaby while silver moonlight twinkles softly. The raccoon can't stop yawning, its raft nearly coming to a standstill, the lapping of the water soothing. Colorful mist surrounds the raccoon's raft, wafting in the fragrant twilight breeze, with lilac gently swaying. Spotting a friendly face, it feels like a dream, It's the raccoon's koala friend, Laura. Perched on a tree stump in a green meadow, Laura seems like a log asleep when the raccoon tries to greet her, yawning involuntarily. Laura stretches, knowing exactly what that means. Just before you drift into slumber, you'll yawn. As the raccoon passes, Laura remains asleep like a log, and as it snores, the colorful mist turns into fog. Oh, Laura must be dreaming now, for as the world swirls around her, she sees all sorts of wonders appear in the sky. Kaleidoscopic silly pigs dash through the air. A petite dream cloud transforms into a fluffy teddy bear. A meteor made of honeycomb swirls slowly around the moon. Stars form a musical score in the sky, playing a lullaby. In the distance, mountains seem to melt and rise again. Raindrops glisten like gemstones, and shimmering columns gently rotate around newly formed rock pools. The raccoon continues to yawn uncontrollably, captivated by the scene before her as her little raft drifts slowly towards a cave concealed by trees. The entrance to this cave hides behind the waterfall, water cascading without a sound. Just as the raccoon's raft nears the waterfall, it ceases to flow, and the raccoon drifts into this sparkly, shimmering cave. The raft rests beside stalactites, but the raccoon remains still, having had a busy night. A little fish pokes its head above water, making a gentle splash, slightly rousing the raccoon, but she seems lost in reverie. She sleepwalks away from the raft, heading towards a bed of branches and reeds. This little raccoon in need of a good rest. She yawns again, curls up contentedly, not alone, as her raft carries her back to a beautiful place. Through the colorful dreams, we continue to drift, immersed in endless fantasies. Good night, kids. Sweet dreams.